Elon Musk is strongly hinting that by the end of the year, Tesla may have a factory in Canada. Elon Musk has teased the announcement of a new Tesla factory located by the end of this year. The CEO hinted strongly that it could be in Canada. Over the last year, Musk has been talking about Tesla announcing a location for a new Gigafactory. At Tesla's annual shareholders meeting yesterday, Musk again brought up the upcoming announcement, saying that Tesla might be ready to announce a new location later this year. That was a quote, later this year. After teasing the announcement, Musk asked the crowd of Tesla investors, where should we build it? After people yelled a bunch of different locations, Musk said, "We got a lot of Canada. I'm half Canadian. Maybe I should?" Musk was born in South Africa to a Canadian-born mother. Friends, this is actually the second time that Musk hinted that Tesla's next factory could be in Canada. In June, Electrek obtained a recording of a company-wide meeting held by Musk, during which he confirmed that Tesla is looking at sites in North America. If you remember, I believe I have reported that. The meeting included Q&A with workers. During the Q&A, an employee asked Elon Musk where Tesla's next factory in the United States is going to be located. Musk said that Tesla hasn't decided yet, but he did specify that it might not be in the United States. Here is what he said then. He said, "We are looking at sites, but we are considering some sites options more broadly in North America, so including Canada and Mexico and the United States as well." The CEO made it sound like Tesla is actively looking at sites, but he did make it clear that the priority in the North America right now is to ramp up Gigafactory Texas to volume production and then to start the battery production at Gigafactory Texas. The comment made it sound like Tesla is looking more at Canada and Mexico for its next factory. Electrek also previously reported that Tesla has recently been in talks with the Quebec government amid a multi-billion-dollar investment into battery production from the Canadian province. Now, when we're talking about multi-billion-dollar investment, that kind of sounds like a gigafactory, not a small battery factory. I mean, if you remember, many years ago, Honda was being invited by many US states to build a factory. Honda was offered all sorts of free real estate and tax breaks, but where did Honda decide to build that factory? Canada. Why? Healthcare for the employees. Tesla may find that having a good healthcare paid workforce is better than other deals offered in the United States. Now the question is, where in Canada Tesla will build its next Gigafactory? If you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is Armin Harayan. Please subscribe to our channel and visit us at torquenews.com for daily electric vehicle and Tesla news. And also give us thumbs up. Like this video, friends. I would greatly appreciate it. God bless you. See you soon in our next report.